Okay, so Assalamu alaikum people, this is me Aziz Al Falasi here again and welcome back to my channel. So it's been 8 months I've posted any vlog at the moment, so this is gonna be my first vlog, and today we are going for a ride around 51 kilometers with Rhinox team. They're gonna be sponsoring us breakfast, and they have a few giveaways as well as vouchers. So I'm not sure of the much of the details, तो देखेंगे कैसा जाता. After so many months I'm pretty nervous to meet new people. So there's a group called BMR. I've joined the group. So right now I'm waiting for Alvin. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. So as soon as he comes, he'll just give a call. Just go fill up petrol and then directly go to Kamanahalli. That is a place where everyone is waiting right now. So we'll just catch up and yeah, that's all for now. So I love you all. Please keep supporting me as you have always done. And please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the vlog. And I love you all. See you guys. Okay people, so Alvin is come now. We'll just take my bike, and it's already 4:41 in the morning. Obviously morning bhai. Use any good. पहली बार डाल रहा हूँ ना, ग्लव्स की आदत नहीं. यूज देन लेट्स गो नो. गाड़ी की कील. I took the power bank, I took the hand mount. Abhi I don't remember, and I have a few points petrol come here. Go fill that petrol and then we'll just go to the landmark where everyone are waiting. So here he is. He's Alvin, man. पेट्रोल डाल लग जाएंगे नहीं. Yesterday only I cleaned my bike, full chain spray. I had my brothers Huzev and Gladu over, and they helped me with it. I'm wearing the balaclava. I'm not sure if my voice is audible. आदत नहीं है ना balaclava की भी, इसीलिए मैं भी baklava is a sweet thing. Petrol bunk. Full tank. Normal. 4 points खाली बच को थे. इसमें भी कितना 800 जरा. उधर एक KTM वाला यूं गया देखिए. हाँ नहीं, उन्हें नहीं जान. एडवेंचर 390 में पीछे ये टॉप बॉक्स डाल लगो, मस्त था. उधर ही में भी हाँ. Straight. Aziz Al Falasi. Not sure how many people are already waiting there. But one of my friend, maybe John, he would have been arrived by now. From my home, it approximately takes just 2 kilometers, maybe max 2 kilometers. For other people, they are coming from Hudi, Mahadevapura, Bammanalli, Electronic City, not sure from where. But it is worth traveling so much. भाई राइनॉक्स भाई कौन नहीं आता ना. Kind of drizzling a little bit. Come on, let's go. चलो चले मितवा. I hope people are there, but I don't want to be the first person reaching there. Please. So this is the right. Oh, there's already some of the people are already waiting here, bro. Damn, bro. Where shall we be? So many bikes. You? Hey guys, we already reached over here and look at the bikes. I'll show you the whole tour. I don't know anyone. I wish I knew how to speak in Malayali. But yeah, I feel even awkward walking here. Oh my god, dear. Okay? Pura mast, pura adventure bikes. Or we might be leaving in few minutes. And anyways, happy Friendship Day, people. I just know one Malayali guy who is my friend over here. And maybe he's yet to come. Oh, I guess he's already arrived. Look at there. Hi. What's up, brother? How are you? Hi. Aziz. Everyone has to go inside and fill a form. Let's go inside and see how it is. They're filling a lot of forms over here. Almost everyone reached as well. Look at the crowd, guys. Look at the guy who's wearing so many badges over there. All the meeting, everything is done. And Alvin is coming as a pillion rider with me so that we will be comfortable and aramse we can just go together. And look at the bikes, guys. MashaAllah, this is the first time I'm going like this. I'm so excited. Let's see how it goes. Dominar ka, I'm supposed to be behind a Dominar bike. Can't Dominar. So in the meeting they were explaining depending on the CCs we have to be in a group. So in the front there are 350, 200, उसके बाद 400, उसके बाद 500 और एक ग्रुप के साथ एक लीडर्स ही like team leadings. So we are gonna start now. Alright people, so we have left now and we are going slowly from the right side. One of those guys will be checking on us. Around the left side mein will be going, and this is the speed we are catching right now. So me and Alvin, we are coming in the same bike because we thought it will be fun. Because this is our first ride with the group, right? So we thought it will be nice. It's nice knowing new people, improving ourselves, getting more, getting out of the house. And honestly, I didn't even sleep last night because I had to directly come from there. My logout was at 3 o'clock. Yeah, yesterday I had given my bike for service, not yesterday, maybe a week ago, and it's still showing that service reminder on the bike. I don't know how to fix that. Maybe when I reach home, I'll check that on YouTube and fix it. And it is too cold right now, guys. It's maybe around yeah, it's 6:41 in the morning now. Okay, so we passed the toll gate now and we are moving on ahead. What is today? Oh, today is Sunday, no? Let's go! Here we go for the second toll gate. Oh, wow! I hope that sound was recorded. I really hope. So we have approximately more. Oh my god, bhai. अब नेक्स्ट कौन सी भी आ रही सरप्राइज करने? Okay, so we cross the toll gate and we cross the airport as well, and we are almost close to the destination, approximately maybe 10 kilometers, not sure, but all with the hand instructions and how we go as a group. It's actually nice, and this is my first experience, if you guys don't know. So it's very fun actually. Mast sukoon say, if in case anything happens, the guys will support us, and see. So every group we have one of the leaders who takes care. I think it's been like decades I came out for a ride like this. It's been almost 8 months that I posted a vlog and I went for a ride. I don't know what happened. I got very lazy and I had few commitments as well, and I wanted to buy few equipments to start up again in a very, how do I say, I cannot explain those emotions. But I finally started it. I wanted to do it, and alhamdulillah, this is gonna be first vlog after 8 months, and here it is, guys. And look at the view in the morning. Oh my god, I seriously miss this so much. See, in that car they're recording, like taking a vlog. Oh my god, I love bikers group. I'm in love with them. I mean with the group. Jan Vandama. Look at that guy, he looks so beautiful. I feel like going up there. Oh bhai, look at how it's covered the whole mountain. I think we almost reached, yeah? So we are still 4 minutes away from the location. Alright guys, we reached finally. We crossed 51 kilometers from the location and we are here. Oh, Allahu Akbar. Oh, my back is paining.
ഞാൻ അധികം കൂടുതലായിട്ട് ഞാൻ പോകുന്നത് അഡ്വഞ്ചർ റൈഡ്സ് ആണ് ഞാൻ കൂടുതലായിട്ട് പോകുന്നത്.
അടുത്ത റൈഡ്
I own a Dominar 400 and I'm a YouTuber and I have 13,000. Okay guys, so here we had a meeting over there inside the temple, but there was a few aunties where they were making an issue that we are not supposed to be recording over here. So we are just heading out. We did have a small mini game over here by playing a quiz of questions, which if we answer it correctly, they will provide us the watches for Inox. So that would be around 3,000, 5,000 watches, 2,000, and many people won. Actually, they got the watches. And right now we'll be heading to the breakfast ride. We are taking the bikes now. Directly we'll go eat, then inshallah we'll just go back again. Everyone's been making issues here. But look at the bikes, man. Line up मस्त है नहीं? इधर देखो जान. Sexy on the floor. So okay, so here we go. So we left the temple now and we are going for the breakfast. देखेंगे किधर ले लेके जा रही हैं breakfast. I have no idea. John, no. Look at there, mountains. And I had a speech to give because I'm a newbie in the group. So it was not much to tell, but I said that it's been 8 months that I did not make any vlog on it because I was held up with other things, as you guys know already. I was supposed to be behind him, but I forgot that I was gonna overtake him. That's not what I'm supposed to do. आदत नहीं है ना भाई. As soon as I reach home, I'll just fresh up. उसके बाद थोड़ा सो जाता हूँ क्योंकि तो कल रात से सोए नहीं ना. ऑफिस डायरेक्ट, उसके बाद इधर डायरेक्ट, और उसके बाद घर डायरेक्ट, और घर के बाद डायरेक्ट. It's been fun that I joined a group and we are going like this because there are a lot of rules and restrictions which we have to follow in a regular life, even though we are not in a group. So, acha bhai, so what I'm trying to say is we follow rules, ठीक है, इंडिकेटर ये वो सब, और एक ही पीछे रहना, एक साथ जाना पूरा. यूजुअली हमें वो सब नहीं करते, ठीक है. फुल रिप मार दी, फुल हेवी गैप्स, ये वो सब नहीं. एंड द लीडर्स they take care of our safety in case anything happens, which shouldn't, inshallah. But it's really fun. If you are into group riding, then you have to join this group. It's called BMR group. BMR group as in Bangalore Malayali Riders. Oh bhai. We finally reached the restaurant, Sri Krishna Garden Veg. I'll have some nice masala dosa. Avadi. Bhai, I'm seriously not used to gloves and jacket. The riding jacket is heavy, and on the left side of my neck it started paining. Because it's been a very long time, seriously. I did not go anywhere. Other than a bit thoda, oh bhai, rani dekho ji. One day, we gonna have one day. After breakfast, can you just repeat a little bit?
Sorry?
After breakfast done, can you just throttle?
Do it right now?
Yeah.
I might go separate.
Is it? Yeah. This was a stock, huh?
Yeah, that's stock, but I have removed the mix for
Okay,
that we can notice. It's not there.
nice. How many things do you even have on this? What is this one?
100. So,
Oh, नाइस. एक दिन इंशाल्लाह ये ग्रीन से ये green.
Very soon. Stay tuned.
Let's see how many kilometers we are away from home. And after the breakfast, I think we all might be going separate ways. I mean, toll gate cross करे बाद. From here to my place, 29 kilometers. Nice.
Because it is properly disciplined.
Way better than that. Those slows of the bikes will get heated up.
I think so because like air also plays a.
It's a new blueprint. I feel that is the main priority.
Which is your channel?
I'll send it on the group. डेरा करनी सर
मुझे गाड़ी मेरा Bro, my baby is waiting for me, bro.
जा रहा हूँ घर को जाकर मस्त सो रहा हूँ ये अंकल को मालूम नहीं मैं व्लॉग पकड़ रहा हूँ हारा ना मार रहे हैं देखे so we'll be going home now. So everyone, as you can see, they are done with the breakfast and they are heading home their own separate ways. So me and my brother Alvin will be going to Kamanali. His bike is parked over there. और उधर से I'll just go to my place. मस्त सो को उठ को I'll have the rest of the weekend मस्त enjoy करना. So I hope you guys enjoy my vlog after 8 months, and please keep supporting me and please subscribe to my channel, and I love you all. Assalamu alaikum. See you guys.
Subscribe. पहले तो कितना व्यूज एक्सपेक्टेड है तुम्हारा
500 भी डू
हाँ
डेड है जान चैनल
लाइक्स